Well, welcome to another episode of Whitelining with Nacho. I don't see how people in cars can do this every single day.
I'm able to do those types of shots because I shot with a 360-degree camera. So as
So,
360-degree camera resolutions get better,
don't do this at home, kids. I'm not watching this
my
video,
videos will only get better.
but I am listening to the live feed on the ride
Definitely
home.
need to get a bigger computer to handle that.
But don't do this at home. I don't care who it is.
Um,
But,
you know,
gotta show Sean some
360-degree
love.
video, being hit by the historic bomb cyclone storm. I am not getting hit by the bomb cyclone storm, but today it was super windy in Nashville. It was a beautiful day. I wanted to fly my drone so bad. We had all these really cool clouds, so I wanted to get some 360 video or 360 photos, but I'm not getting hit by this storm. But my prayers are with the people that are actually getting hit with it.